Hi, this is Jamie Mose, one of the instructors for the Spinning Babies Aware Practitioner Workshop that's coming up in Minnesota this August. And I wanted to take the time today to tell you that an important aspect of doing body work that we will be emphasizing throughout our workshop is that of using good body mechanics. So I've been a body worker for many years and have helped to support people in learning massage and body work. And I found that one of the most important things to do is to find alternative tools, alternative parts of your body to give nice, precise, whole-bodied, authentic pressure to the thumbs. So the thumb joint is an imperfect joint in terms of transferring power through the body to somebody else's tissues, being. If you align your thumb, the tip of your thumb up to your elbow, and however you're applying that pressure, then the wrist gets compromised. And then if you straighten your wrist, then the joint at the base of the thumb gets compromised. So finding alternatives to using your thumbs, like finger pads that are nice and supported, like a knuckle, a small knuckle, or a large knuckle, or even a forearm or elbow. There'll be some creative ways that we will be teaching you to create efficient and fairly effortless power, a pouring of your weight and your being into making fascial and deeper connections with your client rather than making it happen with your hands. So if you're intrigued and you want to learn more about how to continue to do body work, if you're starting to incorporate that into your practice as a birth attendant, or if you're already a massage therapist, body worker, and you want to learn even more valuable skills, then we encourage you to attend. All right,